Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. It's been a while since I vlogged or done anything YouTube related. I just think my life has just been a little bit boring lately. I knew this was gonna happen. I knew after Korea I would come back and I'd be like, wow, I miss Korea. And now, like, all I do is like work, come home, I go to sleep late, I wake up late, go to work, come home, like the same thing over and over again. So, as you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to the Apple store. I'm gonna buy a new MacBook Pro. The reason is, so this is kind of like a life update video, I guess, in a way, because me and Sean are moving to Korea, and while in Korea, I'm gonna be doing YouTube stuff with my friend, so I want a reliable computer operating system that I can use to edit my videos. And I'm so sick of Premiere Pro and Adobe, so I want to go back to Apple and I want to give Final Cut Pro a try. Not a try, I already used iMovie before, so yeah, just going back to my roots, I guess. I don't know. Probably not gonna vlog me buying it, but I will see you later when I get it and I'll open it with you guys and we can try it together. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Hey guys, I'm back! Okay, that was weird, sorry. I'm so tired now. It's super rainy here, of course, Vancouver, whatever. And it was so busy in there, like I knew what I wanted to just get in and out. But yeah, and it's a Monday, like what? Okay, anyways. It's freaking heavy. Oh my god, my ring's falling off. Why is this so hard? Okay, I have no energy. Here it is. The 13-inch space gray MacBook Pro. It's 256 gigabytes. Damn. This is probably the most money I've ever spent on like anything. Let's just get right into it. Let's just open it right on up. Wow. Whoa. Oh. Okay. Wow. It's pretty heavy-ish. What's this? Okay, this is the charger. And the cord. Wow, it's so different than the other one. Wait, is that it? Okay, protective casing. Galore. Wow, I need to get a case for this. I didn't think of that. I should have got one. Oh my god. Oh, is it on? What? Wait, what? It's on? Oh, it's on. It's on. What's happening? Oh, language, English. Save you guys some boredom. Oh, it's set up. Yay. Wow, so it's so new, so different than the one I used to have. The touch bar. Oh, no. Like this is all the F keys. I had to like do the fingerprint on there. Don't know why I'm suddenly so tired. Well, I guess I packed a lot today. I'm organized. Then I went on the rain, which was really stressful. I think I'm gonna fiddle around with this and then try to edit this video on iMovie because I'm gonna get Final Cut, but not quite yet. Let's save that for the next paycheck since I dropped a lot of dough today. Yeah, and I'll update you guys on what's happening in another video when I'm not so dead. This video literally took all day. Anyways, yes, I'm so excited for this and like the future for YouTube on my videos and everything. See you guys later. I'm back because I forgot to tell you I was forced to buy, well, yeah, kind of, one of these because there's no USB port. It's this thing up here, bolt. So anyways, my old laptop, I could put my, where's my camera? Oh my god, look. I could put my SD card thing right into the laptop. And now, I don't know how I'm gonna get my footage on. Oh wait, no, there's Wi-Fi on here. Never mind. Bye.